I was amazed. One thing you said when we were talking off camera, you've seen the entire film. Everybody in the film, every department, of course, the writing first, the direction, is very sincere. There is something very sincere. It is not that we are making it is a larger than life.
Yeah.
It has to be that he is a larger than life character. But every character in the film seems to be extremely sincere about, to use a nice word, his want. What does he want? And that's so beautiful. What does he want?
Yeah.
What does everybody want?
Yeah.
What do we want as artists?
Yeah.
And that comes through with sincerity, because if you don't have a want,
True.
what are you chasing?
Yeah.
There's no necessity there for
What
anything.
are you chasing?
Yeah.
Why am I going with one guy who gives me nariyal pani? इसके साथ कहाँ मिलेगा ये पिद्दी? बोला you'll have to walk. मैं समझा कोई 4-5 किलोमीटर लेके जाए. He made me go through jungles and mountains. Why did I continue to go? Because even I want to identify this person.
Yeah.
What is my want in the film? To find you so that we can use your powers, your talent for the greater good of the country. Because so everybody has a very sincere want. हमें कुछ चाहिए और कुछ अच्छा चाहिए. Nobody wants to make greed नहीं है किसका.
Yeah.
Very reluctant, Sir's character, to go through this and to understand what is this, but he's intrigued.
जानना,
And
I
he
want
was
to know.
very sincere in that reluctant behavior also.
Yeah.
ये क्या है यार? कौन है ये? Who is he? Why am I doing all this? चलो next बोलो, next बोलो.
He takes me like मतलब it's here. I keep going. Then we cross some river, and we cross some some waterfall, and we cross some. और वो कमाल है. रेलवे ट्रैक से लेकिन ट्रेन से क्यों नहीं जा रहे? We're walking through tunnels and railway
So
tracks.
that
and
is
all.
the journey of every villager, which he took from the town to, and he wanted Bowman Sir's character to experience the
experience
the journey of this, how tough it was, how rugged it was, and different terrains. And
Let us ask you one question.
Sure.
One from you, one from me.
All right.
You played all kinds of characters.
जी.
You are loved. कोई unconditional love है. You have to make sure that that unconditional love is fulfilled,
yes,
is given back to the audience.
yes,
But when you do a character and you said something that, you have to get in the skin of the character, look at you there.
so
It's quite raw and that's what is it that you needed to prepare when you say skin of the character for a role like this? As an actor, I'd like to know.
it's a very, I don't know if something it happened automatic or did I prepare for it? I don't know, but I think
You do prepare for it mentally. You do.
But maybe I don't know. It's the preparation to tag it as a preparation, but somewhere the journey starts from getting into the emotion of the narration when he's emoting, when he's narrating. I try to see the baseline of. It's not about Piddi's character I'm listening to, or Bowman Sir's, or your character. I'm trying to see the flavor of the narration. In that flavor, जितना करना है, जितना कम करना है, जितना ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, कम नहीं करना है, and it has to be authentic. I'm trying to be authentic as possible, sincere in your eyes, in your action. Don't try to. I never try to overpower the scene. That is kind of my preparation. I try to stick, and I have my confidence that it will work by sticking to the skin of the scene, and not trying to scratch the skin.
That, I'm sorry, I have to cut you there, but I really have to give you this one compliment.
Ji.
It's beautiful, and you obviously know, sir, with so much of experience, to have a co-actor who's a mega star
Ji.
is just so secure in his own space.
We have to coexist in the screen in
But
front of
I'm
the camera.
telling you, sir, I wasn't expecting this much out of you.
Ji.
You were just there, and I was coming with the preconceived notions of
Ji.
Ramcharan being a massive star, and we have such kind of a role. We have this Tashan going on always, and how would he react to, because Rambutji is at a status. He's never low status. He's always high status.
Yeah.
How would I manage this with him? What if this guy doesn't like me? How the think.
That is good acting, boss.
Yeah.
The thing is, what he said, my preparation. I took a nice line from him.
Sir.
He's saying that my preparation is to make sure that I don't overpower anything. He said it.
Precisely.
Yeah.
So there is the biggest. क्योंकि सर आपने कई एक्टर्स देखे होंगे जो कभी बिल्कुल भी कंफर्टेबल नहीं होते हैं लो स्टेटस जाने में। लो स्टेटस में जाएंगे ना तो वो नीचे से आपको कुछ मार के जाएंगे सीन के एंड में कि कुछ करके कुछ, बट टू प्ले लो स्टेटस व्हेन यू आर लो स्टेटस इज आई थिंक मार्क ऑफ stay there don't so
being vulnerable is so beautiful on screen. It's very relatable. I think so.
tell us about this chota physical transformation you did. Chutput.
Yeah. I have a lot of gifts given by my director after the film. I really don't know. This genre was already a super hit genre thanks to Mr. Amir and Salman with Dangal and Sultan.
Ji.
Very well appreciated from Lagan to Baag Milkha Baag. All of these were super hit genres, and it is so easy for us to understand and agree with this.
Yeah.
And then the beautiful emotion added to this. So it is a super hit on paper for me. And I knew the physical stress that I will be going through, but I never got up in the morning thinking आज जाना है. Never. आज कब जाना है?
Yeah.
क्यों नहीं है 7 o'clock shift क्यों नहीं है 9 o'clock why you putting? So that was very very interesting for me as an artist. When I'm waking up and when I'm coming back home after pack up, am I still talking about the scene which I did in the morning? If I have not spoken to my wife or my mother or my friend, I know I've not done something nice today. नहीं आज का scene में ऐसा किया था ऐसा किया था. So my friend was like, Ram, very few movies out of the 16 you have spoken. You've spoken about a Magazira, RRR, Rangasthalam, where I played a deaf guy, and then this. This is definitely a super hit on this first schedule. I told him. I said, "How can you say?" He said, "You are talking about what you have done. It is not leaving. The palette is still with that scene."
You know, this is such a commonality.
Sir.
Whether I'm shooting or whether I have met you or whether I've spoken to somebody who's driving me somewhere.
Ji.
If I do not go home
Yeah.
on the dining table, I do not talk about something funny,
Yeah.
something human,
Yeah.
or something learnt, then I feel the day was not so good.
Yeah.
Similarly, what he said, it's an echo of what you just said.
Yes.
If we go home, we don't discuss a moment in the shooting of the day.
Yeah. Or any
then-
activity of
then
the
we
day.
have not
Yeah.
pushed ourselves.
Absolutely.
The
Yeah.
director
yeah.
has not
yeah.
pushed us.
Yeah. It is
The
kind
ambience
of.
has not pushed us.
It is an adrenal high.
It is a high.
And you want to wake up. That's why I'm saying I wanted to wake up again next day morning and go and experience another high on the sets.
When people speak of actors' egos,
Yeah.
this is it. Our ego should make us feel we're doing something good. We're
Yeah.
doing something
Yeah.
So
special.
it's also, sir, it gives you a different, like for me, this is gonna be my first Telugu film.
Yeah.
And I realized that in Telugu, it's a slightly different, what you would call it, grammar of filmmaking.
Ji.
There's a certain kind of stylization involved. And by that, I was very happy that after so many years, I was suddenly a new boy. Was like trying to figure out the energies, culture,
Yeah.
language, everything.
Diversity is
Yeah.
what makes us
It's
all
that.
beautiful.
But I enjoyed so much because whatever we did cricket, because it has so much of stylization involved,
Yeah.
the way it was shot, and it's a huge compliment to our cinematographer Randy sir here.
Yeah.
There were just
Yeah.
beautiful instances where you would say बोली लगाने वाला
जी, जी.
है ना. देवेंदु क्या करेगा सर, ये करेगा, ऐसे मैं कर सकता हूँ क्या, ऐसे, ओके, इफ यू आर डूइंग दिस लेट मी गेट द कैमरा फ्रॉम हियर.
Yeah.
सर इफ यू आर गेटिंग द कैमरा फ्रॉम हियर कैन आई डू दिस एज वेल. हाँ, वेरी नाइस, लेट मी टेक वन मोर शॉट. It was just so much of
The synergy was
inclusivity,
there.
Yeah. It was just, I thoroughly enjoyed working on
I'm so
Preeti.
glad, I'm so glad.
I'm so glad I did this.
Yes. Beautiful.
Similar sentiment from me. I've done a few Telugu films.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And I enjoy it
Beautiful
very much. But one of the reasons I'm echoing what you're saying is to come out of your comfort zone and see how it feels.
Yeah.
Ji.
Problem is that it is even more comfortable. They make you feel so good.
Yeah. सर आई थिंक मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पेदी लोगों को क्यों पसंद आएगी, जो मुझे पसंद आई थी, कि इस तरीके की इमोशनैलिटी इतने डिफरेंट जॉनर्स से पास ऑन होते हुए, एक कैरेक्टर जो कि एक अंडरडॉग कैरेक्टर है, वहाँ से स्टार्ट होके एक वल्नरेबल है, एक पोजीशन ऑफ पावर पे पहुंचता है, लेकिन वहाँ भी उसे शायद वो नहीं मिलता जो वो अचीव करना चाहता है. दैट वल्नरेबिलिटी मेरे लिए पेद्दी में वो एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो पूरे टाइम जब मैंने कहानी भी सुनी थी वो मेरे साथ थी। और शायद एंड में आप होते हैं पेद्दी के साथ कि ठीक है, अगर मैंने अपना कैरेक्टर भी सुना और मैं चाहता हूँ कि थोड़ा टशन है, बट फिर भी मैं चाहता था कि पेद्दी सक्सीड करे,
Yeah.
कुछ
Towards the end, yes.
दैट आई थिंक ह्यूमन जो टच है ना,
Yeah.
वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है पेद्दी देखने के लिए। एंड आई होप पीपल विल
Absolutely.
लाइक इट एंड अप्रिशिएट इट।
मेरे लिए ऐसा है कि पहले तो एक मौका मिला आपके साथ काम करने के
Thank
लिए।
you, sir.
मैंने
Thank
बुची बाबू जब मिले थे पहली बार तो वो बोले आई हैव माई असिस्टेंट, ही विल टेल यू। मुझे मतलब कम्युनिकेशन इतना नहीं होता है, उनकी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, इंग्लिश ठीक ठीक है, लेकिन उन्होंने ही सब समझाया और फिर भी मुझे समझ में आया। एंड आई एम सेइंग फॉर मी पेद्दी, इफ यू कॉल इट अ स्पोर्ट्स फिल्म, यस इट मे बी अ स्पोर्ट्स फिल्म, नॉट कंप्लीटली।
Yes.
मुझे लगता है कि पेद्दी एक बहुत ही पेट्रियाटिक फिल्म है,
Yes. Yes.
बहुत ही पेट्रियाटिक फिल्म है कि ये कह रहा है कि सबके लिए, अगर आप स्पोर्ट्समैन नहीं है तो ठीक है, लेकिन सबके लिए यही कह रहा है कि भाई अगर आप सिटीज में रहते हो तो देखो गांव में जहाँ पे किसकी आइडेंटिटी नहीं है, उनकी तरफ देखो, ये हमारा खजाना है, ये ही हमारा असली इंडिया है।
Yeah.
और जो गांव के जो लोग हैं, जो छोटे छोटे शहरों में रहते हैं, उन लोग बोले हमारे ये पिक्चर हमारी है, तो सबके लिए ये पिक्चर है।
That is beautiful. Yeah.
स्पोर्ट्स
Yeah.
सिर्फ एक जरिया है,
That's
एक
true.
जरिया है दिखाने के लिए कि
It's a
हमारे
backdrop.
देश में,
That's it. It's just the
हमारे
backdrop.
देश में कितनी टैलेंट है। और मैं ये अल्फाज मैं बार बार इस्तेमाल करूंगा, हमारा एक देश एक बहुत बड़ा खजाना है, बस हमें ढूंढना है, बस ये है पेद्दी मेरे लिए, जरूर देखिएगा।
For me, the Peddi film, India के बारे में, if you talk, it represents India. Peddi is the beat of India, the heartbeat, or whatever, the pain of India, the success of India, the talent of India. This is a representation of the true मिट्टी का story, and हमारा मिट्टी का story.
हाँ,
And it is nothing fancy. It is raw, rustic, inspiring, and uplifting film.
क्या बात।
And I think every student, every school, or 6 to 60, everybody should watch. Beyond 60 also.
हमें exclusive
oh,
ऐसा नहीं. All genres. Every person who's alive will be inspired to see this film in their respective ages and in their work they do. It'll always inspire you a little bit.
Well said.
You'll come out with a very inspired heart.
yeah,
It's the most sincere film I have ever worked on.
Absolutely.
इतना sincere से हम सब लोग काम किया है. And Peddi deserved everybody to be very sincere in their approach when they entered this set. Thank you so much, Boman sir, for being part of this.
अरे don't say
And
that.
thank you,
sir.
Devendu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.